Oh god, that's so funny. You should have seen these
Hey,
two on the
DOG.
floor.
Drop it. I mean, he had his head sticking in the same hole with the
Arm.
arm.
Wow.
Woo! Hi, DOG.
You guys in the middle taking a picture, and that's
Wow.
Let me see.
that's him jumping up on.
Oh
Gotcha.
my.
Woo!
Here, look.
Good
Oh,
boy.
that is funny.
Oh, jeez.
Hey, you lost on you had to swimming.
Oh, hold on. I wanted to walk over here because I only have
Okay,
56 seconds left of recording. I
Okay.
think.
call
DOG, come here. DOG.
him. It's like it pulling around.
He can't even control his arm anymore. Come here,
Oh,
I need to button you up.
that feels so good.
God, I never seen this one here get so damn jealous.
Yeah, she is jealous.
Come here, Georgie. Come here. Come here.
Where's Joel?
Come here, George.
He looks pretty good like that.
He does. You look like such a gentleman.
All dressed up and no place to go.
His first gave us a good laugh.
Oh god.
Wow.
If he stands up on his hind legs, him and I could be
Alright, we're
boyfriend
done.
girlfriend.
Oh, wow.
Upsy daisy.
Be the
Ah,
same
watch out.
height as Randy.